This is going to be a video tutorial on how to clear your browsing history automatically in the Zen Web Browser. Let me jump over to my browser. I have the Zen Web Browser opened up. To set up Zen to clear its browsing history every time you close Zen, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper left-hand corner, up to the three-dot menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the page that opens up, the pane off to the left here, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to scroll down a ways, down to where you see the History section, and in the History section, right down here, Clear History When Zen Closes. You want to check this box, and then off to the right, you want to click on Settings. And in this dialog box, automatically clear all checked items when Zen closes. You would go through here and you would check what you want to be cleared. Do you want to clear browsing history and download history? Check that box. If you want to clear cookies and site data, each time Zen closes, check that box. Temporary cached files and pages, you would check this box if you want that cleared. Then when you're done, you go down to the bottom and you click on Save Changes. That is how to clear your browsing history each time you close the Zen Web Browser. Thanks for watching.